It's 2 by 18, and I had them cut it into 2-foot sections, and this will be the width of the above ground bed that I am currently working. Hi everyone, it's Gina with Peonies of America. Hope everyone's doing well. This morning I want to come out here and try to put this box together. It is a 2-foot wide by 8-foot long flower box. It's just an extra box that I'm making this fall along with several others. And it is along a wrought iron fence right here, and I'm going to try to stay about 1 inch off of that fence. I do have landscape fabric below the cardboard even that I was holding the weeds down back here. So I've got landscape fabric down that's been there for about 2 years, and then the cardboard. So, and then I'm going to layer it today with some of the dry leaves that we've got that have fallen, some compost, some old alfalfa hay that I have, and again with some compost, and just layer it. It might not be completely filled up right now, but it'll be pretty close. So let's get started. I got it together. It does look a little lopsided when you look at it that way, but it's because this end is just lower, and I'm gonna put this cardboard, I'm gonna fold it up and try to get this end so it's level. But the board screwed in level, everything was level here. So it's just because this end here is just lower in the yard, and I have it really built up. You can see in that corner, that far corner over here, that the cardboard's a little bit heavier and thicker, so I need to come add another piece of cardboard in here. But anyway, that's that, and I'm going to start filling. Bit of a chore. I am sweating a little bit, my face is a little flustered, and when you fast forward that stuff, it goes so fast that I watched it and it was like, oh no, it's not that easy. But if you'll just do little steps at a time with it, you'll be fine. It might not, you might not be able to get it just the first time. It might take a day or two. My compost was not real heavy. It wasn't rained on real bad. It did rain this morning, real light rain though. It was real nice. It cooled the temperatures down here. But anyway, I want to show you the bed here and how it looks, and pretty happy with it. The finished product, it is a 2-foot wide by 8-foot long little flower bed, and I have it up against that wrought iron fence, as you can see. And what I plan on putting in here is the dinner plate cafe au laits, and cafe au lait, cafe royale, and the cafe rose. I have grown dahlias for years, and this is just going to be a really great spot for them up against that fence. It'll help me have an area to help me stake them and so forth, and plus a little bit of protection also from the winds that we get here in Oklahoma. And also, this is the area where I have about 100 peonies back here. This is my backyard area, or actually my west yard. It's my west cutting garden. And I do have a spot back in here that I've never used because it stays really shaded, and kind of spotted shaded. It doesn't get quite 6 hours direct sunlight. So I'm really excited about that little area. I'm going to be putting some shaded herbaceous perennials and some really beautiful annuals back there that will grow. So that's going to be an exciting project there. But hey, thanks for following along. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, comment either way, let me know what you think. And I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye.